Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, I'm Sally Mulready with Mulready Properties at CB Select. Let's just take a quick quiz to see if your home passes the sell for top dollar test. I have sold hundreds of homes, so I know what I'm talking about. So here we go. When you walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal? Fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of black bark, fresh flowers, plants, trees, new trim, door paint, or even possibly a whole new paint job? You need to hire someone who really cares more about getting top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds test? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean real deep cleaning. Baseboards, scuff marks, clean up the landscape, change out old light bulbs, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green, or is it yellow and crispy? Yes, these things matter. Are the walls painted a neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted the front door and trim? Hey, brick red walls with mismatched paint does not qualify selling for top dollar. At least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean? Or are they 10 years old and only been cleaned a few times once it rains or people walk over them a few times? Well, the truth comes out. This is not going to cut it to get you top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Or are your cabinets still the same as they were 15 years ago? Or have you updated them at all? Does your lot compare to the 1.5 acre lot that's up the street? You see, all of this matters. Next, this is a big one, the smell test. Oh my goodness, I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know most homes have a smell to them? Yes, a smell. It sounds a bit gross, but it is true. And if I were to list my home right now, I know I'd have to Febreze like crazy. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you're used to, but if someone else came over, and would it smell like a fish fry? Well, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? Is your home partially staged, or is it fully staged with modern furniture to ensure that it shows to the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably would look better in grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. When you look out the window, are you looking at your neighbor showering, or is there pasture, hills, and trees? So I challenge you, take the quiz and get a scale from 1 to 10 if you're ready to put your house on the market and sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes. P.S. Most of us have to make changes. Again, if I were to sell my house, I would have a honey-do list for days. This is Sally Mulready with Mulready Properties at CB Select.